Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds from cryptoguru step by step. This is my avatar speaking, not me personally. And if you can't do it or have any issues, let me know in the comments and the real me will help you. First, log into your account. Open the cryptoguru app. Enter your username or email and your password. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, check your available balance. Go to the dashboard and look for Wallet, Funds, or Balance section. Make sure the amount you want to withdraw is available and not locked. Now, go to the Withdrawal section. Click Withdraw, Cash Out, or Transfer Funds. The label might vary. Choose your withdrawal method. cryptoguru usually offers options like crypto wallets, USD, BTC, and sometimes bank transfer, PayPal, or Gcash, if available in your country. Then, enter your withdrawal details. For crypto, select the coin, paste your wallet address carefully, and enter the amount to withdraw. Double-check the address to avoid losing funds. For bank or PayPal, enter your full name, account number or email, and the amount. Next, confirm and submit. You might get a confirmation email or a one-time PIN to finish the process. Wait for the processing. Bank or e-wallet withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days. Crypto withdrawals are faster, often within a few minutes to 2 hours. Finally, check your receiving wallet or bank account. Save your transaction ID so you can track your withdrawal in cryptoguru's history. If you have any issues, like wrong address or minimum withdrawal not met, contact support immediately. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.